Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a form page on Wix. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to wix.com and log in using user credentials. After you log in, you'll have to simply navigate to your Wix site editor. After navigating, click on this plus add elements button at the top left and you will see a list of elements to add from. So choose contact and forms from this and click on create new form. Then choose create new form and this will add Wix forms on our layout. Now you'll have to choose what elements you want to add to your form. So I'm choosing first name, last name, email, phone number and address. Now you can also edit these fields. Click on settings and do the setting accordingly. Now choose general and you can select all of these options to add to your form. You have buttons, layout elements, payment sections, dates and a lot of things. So you can use all these elements on your form. Simply click on it, that will be added on your page. Then click on settings, do the editing and navigate to preview. So this is how our form is going to look like. Now we'll go back to edit and click on save button at the top right. After that, this form will be successfully created. As you can see, I just created and added this form onto my Wix website. Now you can place this form anywhere you want on your Wix site. You can reduce the size, place it anywhere you want. If you want to do the settings again, choose settings and you'll have the option to choose the form, choose the layout, edit the design, manage it and get support for this form. So that's how you make a form page on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.